Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video we're going to show you how to replace the front driver's side airbag on a Hyundai Sonata. This one is an 06 model, but it will be the same all the way until 2011, I think. All you need is to start looking bit like that. It's a size 40, and now right here on the side in the hole there is one bolt that you will need to get loose all the way. You need to do a couple revolutions. It's kind of like hard to find it, but okay, it's right there, and you just get it loose, probably around 10-15 revolutions until it spins freely. Okay, you're gonna start to feel it because I think it has thread walk. It should have thread walk on it because it's for the airbag, so it doesn't get loose from vibrations when you drive down the road. Okay, and after that you need to turn the steering wheel to the other side so you can access this one on the other side as well. So all together two bolts, and take this one loose all the way as well. Okay, right there. This is the second one. It's almost loose all the way. You kind of like feel it moving back and forth and now you need to turn the steering wheel being straight, and you need to grab the airbag, and if it doesn't come off, make sure that the bolts are loose all the way. Okay, this is the airbag, and now what we need to do, this cap right here, you need to lift it up, and you need to make sure that you need to unhook the battery at least an hour before you start the repairs on the airbags. And that's something metal, so you make sure that you don't have any static electricity before we remove the airbag, because if you have electricity it can explode and hurt you really bad. That thing is powerful. Okay, you just remove them, and now you have one wire for the horn right there. You remove this one as well. And now on the bottom there is one clip right here that we need to unclip like that, and this is the airbag, guys. So that's how you remove the airbag on a Hyundai Sonata and many other Hyundais as well. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.